Hello and welcome to my Apple Watch unboxing. This was just delivered to my house. Fortunately, I got home just in time. I should have music playing in the background, but I don't. So exciting! My UPS delivery guy said that he delivered 10 so far today. All right, here we go. Look at this beautiful piece of art. And that's just the books. Can add this box to my Jenga collection of Apple boxes, Apple product boxes. See? Oh, it's so pretty. Nice, nice. I hadn't been to the store, so I had no idea what to expect. You have to be smarter than the packaging. Oh. Apparently, I'm not smarter than the packaging. There are scientists that figure this stuff out, the best way to wrap this stuff, but they don't use me as for user testing, apparently. For Pete's sake. Somebody's going to show me the simple way to do it, and then I'm going to feel really stupid. Yeah, so there was this little tab here with the green arrow, but apparently not obvious enough for me. Oh well. Look at this. It's so pretty. Pretty and white. I really wanted pink, but that pink wasn't really pink. It was more salmon. But hopefully they'll come out with a nice, pretty pink one. Instructions, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the small, medium. Good. That's what I need. Oh, it's so soft. It is so soft. I like it. Oh, it's very large. I'm glad I got the 38 millimeter. Very, very large. I'm shaking, aren't I? Okay. Now, I watched videos today on how to pair it with my iPhone 6 Plus with a brand new case. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, wait, let's see if it's charged. Oh man, it's not charged. Well, then I guess I have to get the charger. Ooh, any Apple stickers? Did we get any Apple stickers? I see no Apple stickers. Oh, wait. Ooh, an extra band. Awesome. Instrucciones. Cool. Here we go. All right. So now English, Espanol, Francais. Okay, I'm going to say English. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. So, Apple Watch. Good afternoon. If you have an Apple Watch, you can pair it with your iPhone. Here, Start Pairing. Oh, and look at that pretty little thing. Very pretty. Hold the Apple Watch up to the camera, if you insist. Align it with the viewfinder below. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. Oh, so pretty. On which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? Left. I want to create a passcode. Don't look. Install available apps. Install all. Yes. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done syncing, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. Just click the home button to exit Apple Watch setup. Alrighty, and it looks like there's a little timer thingy to tell you when it's done, or the progress that it's made. So I'll be back. Apple Watch is ready. Okay. Oh my gosh, it already has my meetings on here. I don't read instructions normally, obviously. This is a little challenging, putting this band on. Should have gotten the Milanese. I'm sure there are instructions on this, but I don't read instructions, so. Modular, customize. This can be very boring. So I'll set it up and then I'll come back. I love my Apple Watch. And if you got one, I hope you love it too. You can see that I have chosen the flower face, and I'll probably rotate through several to see which ones I like best, but so far that's my favorite. See the pretty yellow one. And then I like how I can very easily go through the different apps. I can look at my music. I was listening to Shakira. I can look at my heart rate, which was 72 beats per minute 7 minutes ago. It was very, very fast when I was first opening the box. 50% battery life left. I've got quite a bit of moving and exercising and standing to do today. I can see that I have a baseball game to go to tonight. It's 81 degrees here in Austin. The Apple stock is doing very well. That's where I am in Bee Cave. I'm 98 calories under for today, and I think I will be overdoing that. I can see who's been posting on Instagram, and everybody seems to be posting pictures of their Apple Watch. So overall, I would say I am 100% satisfied with my Apple Watch, and I will share more as I learn more. Thank you. Bye.